Step 2. Collect reliable data. Collect and cleaning data that helps you solve the problem at hand. Now that you have defined the problem in step 1, you need to collect some data. This is where your market data provider comes in. This can be Bloomberg, Reuters, Moody's, BlackRock, or any of the hundreds of market data providers out there. In addition to collecting voluminous amounts of data, you also need to check if the data you're getting is accurate. You also have to check if it is adjusted for dividends, stock splits, rolls, etc. Another very important check is alignment. This means time alignment. Let's say you collect data to predict stock prices and one of the columns is earnings per share. If you have a series of EPS for each time point in your data and a column for a stock price at each point, you have to make sure that the EPS that is known at that point in time for the stock is what is really known at that point. In some cases, the EPS for a stock may be 30 days, 60 days, or even 90 days behind the stock price for that particular earning season. So make sure you don't miss this time alignment. If you get this wrong, you may very well have a well-performing model during training, but it may be completely wrong during testing. So keep this in mind while aligning features with your target variable. Nowadays, in the hunt for alpha or the excess return over a market return, many traders and portfolio managers are in search of what's called alternative data. This could be any of the following: credit card transactions, email receipts, point of sale transactions, website usage, obscure city hall records, satellite images, social media posts, online browsing activity, shipping container receipts, product reviews. Some or all of these may be useful. But again, the same caveats around time alignment apply. If you don't align the date that the alternative piece of data was available with the date of the target variable, you are likely to have a very messed up data for training. So be careful. I can't stress it enough.